In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Xiaomi. You need to start by opening Devices settings. Now scroll down and tap on Passwords and Security. Then select Screen Lock over here and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. In this pop-up, you need to select Got it after 5 seconds and then finally create your login method. If you wish to redo it, you can click on Clear at the bottom left corner. Then create it again. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add your fingerprint right away, tap on Add in the pop-up. If you don't, just click on Cancel. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icon set pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!